All right, so here's a look at this artificial palm tree. You can see it's about 6 foot, slightly taller than me. And the coolest thing about this is I love that they really paid attention to the details here. And there's like this little hair piece. It looks super realistic and it just adds a lot of character to the palm tree. I've seen some of the other ones, they don't have that on it and it doesn't make it look as realistic. Now as for the leaves, they also look pretty realistic. You can see under here there's like a lighter green, and then on the top you've got a darker green, which I do love the fact that that's like a two-tone. It looks nice, and this is going to be a great addition out here to our backyard. Now this is going to be 2 pieces, so it's going to come in 2 pieces, and you can see you might not be able to see it all the way here, but there is a joint right here if I separate this out, so you'll see it comes in 2 pieces. That's going to slide down, and this piece is actually going to cover it up. So this looks great because I've seen, again, some other ones on Amazon where you're just connecting 2 pieces and you could easily see that there's a line that connects the 2 and it just looks super fake. So I like the fact that they covered it up with that piece there. Now you don't need to put the coconuts on if you don't want to, but you can add it in after. You can see there's a little wire that comes with it, and you're just going to stick this down anywhere. So if you wanted to put it low here, or if you wanted to maybe put it up even higher, you can kind of pick where you want to put it. You just push that wire down into there. Now as for the base, you can see it's really small. We need to get a pot for this. We're probably going to put this in like an elevated pot, something up a little bit higher and larger, just to make it look more grand out here in the backyard. I'm thinking something like a stone or maybe like a terracotta type pot. I think will look really good with this. The bottom of this is weighted pretty strong, so once we put it in a pot and we put a little bit of soil around it, I think it's really going to hold into place. But it looks great out here in the backyard, and I'm excited that we went with this one. So if you're looking for an artificial palm tree, something that's going to look really good in the backyard and add a lot of character, then I would definitely recommend picking this one up.